Wash the blades in here. This is what I do with my fans. We clean up the Lasko Cool Colors box fan. Got my heater running. Let's see if we can make this fan run a little bit better. In the back side. It's an old pub from 1992. Good stuff. You know what? Fill up. So I'm finish off this fan. This is where I take a shower at. I wish it was a whirlpool, but it's not. It's a regular tub. Lots of glass. It's for Lee, the family, and all them. I appreciate all them. I'll do the motor. I won't remove the motor in. The frame and the motor comes apart. I can remove the frame and the motor real easy with my screwdriver. And I have tools. Hang on. Alright, I'm back from filling up the tub. Now what I'm going to do is do this. I got this grill right here. Now the last grill, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the motor. So what I'm going to do is brush it all off. It's been used in the shed a lot. I really like this fan. I take really good care of it. Because the motor, I'm in an electrical class. I'm joining the ABC Votech. Well, this is for you, Lee, the Fan Man, and I really like your channel. You too, Tor, the Fan Man. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. You and him, and Spots Bear and all them, and JK18. You are the best. And JK18, good luck with your pool, because my neighbor's got a pool, and I take care of his stuff. I know all about the pool pumps. I already rebuilt one motor. That was bad. It's a Lasko Cool Colors box fan. And you too, Embersing Colony and ATV Treasures. You good luck with your furnace, ATV Treasures. I hope you have that gas furnace, that ring criterion gas furnace. I have one in my attic. You got rid of yours, so I mean, it's got the same inducer, but it's an older one, way older than that one, 1992. You probably see, I bought me a gas furnace inducer motor. You probably see it on my other stuff I posted on. So, I know all about the gas furnaces and how they work and all that. I watch videos on it. And that's why I'm getting an HVAC career. I probably